Yeah, it's gonna be like a 4-minute stream, but this is a time zone dilemma, okay? Yeah, like this teeth is like the most white. That one's relatively white. Like these teeth are pretty yellow. So this is going to be focused on 2 dates, and the dates I have are the 2019 dates, 2020 dates, March 8th and November 21st, and yeah, I was just testing some live stream stuff, which I probably shouldn't do. So like the dilemma is that like for example, when it is 2:00 on I meant to say November 1st. But like think about it. When it is 2:00 in the morning in New York on that day, in Chicago it's 1:00, but then it goes back to 1:00. So for 1 hour they're together. And like for LA, at that point it's 11, so they're only 2 hours behind until it's 5 a.m. in New York, 2 a.m. in LA. But then it happens in reverse next time on March 8th, because like at 2 a.m. in New York, it's 1 a.m. in Chicago, then it becomes 3 a.m. in New York. So now it's at 4 a.m. in New York, when it's 2 a.m. in Chicago, they get to go to 3 a.m. And as for LA, it's 6:00 in New York. So like it's a bit of a dilemma. Why this happened? Because like it's not universal, man. Like I said, yeah, at the common time in when it's 2 a.m. in the UK as this happens, like that would make a bit of a difference. But it doesn't. That doesn't happen. See, like they said, it was 2 a.m. in London that we'd go back. The problem is that we'd fall back at 9 p.m. But most of us are still awake at 9 p.m. But then it becomes 8 p.m. So like a lot of people. Well, it's like a problem for them going to bed later. Like it would be even more of a problem.
Okay, hold up. I'm gonna change the chat with the other one. All right, let's go to that one. All right, everybody go to the link I put in the chat. All right,
like
chat with that one.
Like it's a little bit different.
I'm gonna set up the new.
It's a little bit different. And I would call it a problem. And then like when we skip ahead, it would be 9 p.m. here. Whoops! All of a sudden it's 10 o'clock. Like I go to bed between the two times, so that actually a bit problematic. So that's kind of why like these issues would happen. Like we'd be awake in a lot of time zones. So I mean, yeah. So like what would be more universal? I guess if it was like each country had one. I mean, I guess that would make more sense. I just am not sure. Adios, amigos.